leaving here at 9, so they can't be too far away.
What's your gas price?
Huh?
Your gas price.
Don't yell at me. My light is flashing since we got halfway to Red Rock. Yeah, but once it starts flashing, I still have about 35, 40 miles of this way. They are here. You want to come here? You don't need gas? Working on it, just filled up. Okay. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, Tyler.
I'm Joe. Nice to meet you.
I think we may have met once before.
I think so.
In passing. Yeah,
Yep.
How you doing?
Doing well, man.
What's up, brother?
It's going, big guy.
Happy Memorial Day and all that shit.
You too.
Hey, Danyelle.
That was a fucked up handshake.
Haven't done it in a while, you know?
How are you?
Yeah.
Look at you guys taking a day off. What's the fun?
That's what you can do when you own your own business.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
How long you had the victory?
About a year and a half.
You know, I think last time we talked, you were either just getting ready or you had just gotten it.
Yeah.
I seem to recall that conversation. It was freaking gorgeous, man.
I love this thing.
That's awesome.
It's not awesome.
That's beautiful.
But yeah, I'm getting my my shield shipped today.
Did you buy the clockworks?
Yes.
You're gonna love it.
Whoa. No, I got it back when I was like 16.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
It's got what's the Kawasaki you have?
Vulcan Voyager?
It's got the big one.
Yeah.
The big. Weren't we looking at those here for a little while?
I had a Vulcan
With the fin.
Oh, okay.
1500.
No,
So
but
1500.
his has the fairy.
The Voyager. Yeah, it looks more like that.
No, mine was a bag.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Sweet bikes, man. I
Yeah.
like mine. Yeah. It doesn't have the character that this does, but it'll go the distance.
And they're not.
How's it going, man? Yes, it is. Hooah. I'm ready. Let's get the show on the road, huh?
Yeah.
The next time we get together, we got to bring our pamphlets so we can get
We got to
connected.
figure that out because mine is supposed to be pretty easy to connect, but
So's mine, but because of Bluetooth, we should be able to connect like that.
all right, let's go have some fun.
Let's do it.
middle of fucking nowhere, dude.
Middle of nowhere.
Look it off for a minute.
But seriously, I don't know where we are.
Oh, you'll see the school bus stop out in the middle of
Yeah, 550 feet, school bus.
I don't know where they're coming from and I don't know where they're going.
I need my micro screen now.
See what
My micro lens.
oh yeah, okay.
So that way get a really good shot of what Al's doing.
You know what I always think of is, who the hell lives out here?
That's what we were just talking about.
Like, why? You know, I mean, seriously.
I was like, only serial killers live out here.
What's that?
I got serial killers.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a little more. Thanks, sir.
Like, who lives out here? How do you? Where do you get a gallon of milk?
Like,
Where do you get a gallon of milk?
They probably take like a trip to the grocery store once a month.
Yeah.
They go to Costco with their pickup and just load it.
Yeah.
seriously. They're pretty self-sufficient out here, but I don't see the cows.
I love that it's us, that one Jeep, and no one else is Jeep.
I know, right?
I got lucky, babe.
When I found you. I'm on Ozzy's Boneyard has the top 200.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah, I think I'm like 129. All right, what are we, about 15 minutes away, Joe?
Yeah, about that.
Yeah.
We're real close.
Let's go. You're doing well.
Got me a couple times. They keep looking for 6, and you're like, yep. No.
No six.
I know, I was riding it too. I was like, there's no 6 here.
Yeah.
What is going
Like, oh,
on?
how'd I end up here?
This thing's been everywhere. I've been to Sturgis twice with it, Northern California, Sedona, everywhere. This thing, I pegged it out on the way to Sturgis. As hard as it will go, and it would touch 105.
Woo!
I thought the thing was gonna fucking fall
Have a
apart.
high speed come apart.
You know, bike's been awesome.
Yeah, man. They're nothing like the sound of these big carbureted motors under load, too.
That's actually fuel injected.
Is it really?
Mhm.
Nice. Well, they kept all the character in it. Yeah,
Oh.
do it.
I am recording.
I'm gonna pick out in here.
I'm gonna highlight it. Wasn't sure if you were going to pass that truck or not.
Well, you know what?
Had to put a fire under your ass.
Well, I was I was right behind it, and I'm thinking, oh, the crowbar's just on the other side of that curve. And then we went up on the, oh, it's just over the hill.
Right.